it's Brian again. Welcome back to Trade Talk Tuesday. Today, we'll continue our special 6-part interview series with episode 4, which answers one of the most commonly asked questions I get every single day. How can I trade if I'm not at my computer all day long? Well, luckily for you, we've designed the War Room so you can only trade when it's convenient for you. Here's how it works.
Some of these moves happen fast, but I can't sit in front of my computer all day long.
Well, we don't expect you to. We designed the War Room so you can come and go as you please. You can enter the War Room for an hour in the morning, make a trade or two, and if you choose, then you're done.
So I'm not expected to make every trade?
No, of course not. You don't have to make any trades at all. I mean, we designed the War Room so you trade only when it's convenient for you.
Or you do what Bear Dance did. He entered a trade, then he set a limit order above his entry price. While he was gone, his exit price filled. That's one of the many tricks we'll show you in the War Room.
To me, that's a game changer. I don't have to be watching all day. It sounds like I don't even need an auto trader.
No, if you're not around, you can set a sell order 20% above your entry price and then go about your day and you're covered no matter what.
Just so I'm clear, you're saying whenever I'm available, I can enter the War Room, decide if any of the current recommendations are right for me, and then be done.
I think he's getting it.
Yeah, it's trading whenever you're available. So some days you'll get 1 trade recommendation. Other days you'll get 3 or 4. Sometimes you'll get 0. It all depends on that day's market conditions.
And if I miss a trade?
If you miss one of mine in the morning, there will always be plenty others coming.
Or you can jump into one of my plays later that afternoon.
Okay, let me summarize this. I can come and go as I please. I can make as many or as few trades as I want. I can even set my sell order ahead of time. But what if I'm away from my computer? How will I get your information?
Okay, so we offer text alerts, email alerts, and coming soon, a new mobile app. Bottom line is, you can be notified whenever you should head to the War Room to check out a new recommendation.
You know, the War Room concept is so new and quite frankly, so revolutionary that I'm sure a lot of people want to see whether it's right for them. That's why your full library of reports, videos, and educational materials is so useful.
For all new members, every single strategy and tactic we use is all outlined for them.
If you're ready to start getting our trading insights live in real time, then I invite you to explore the War Room. Click this link below and you'll get immediate access to our entire library of videos, trading lessons, and even a live training video webinar. You'll see what War Room members are saying, and you can even jump into our newest live training. In fact, the next live training is just about to start. It's totally free and class is now in session. Check it out now.